50 bad birds activities. Number 1 Angry cockatoo tears down anti-bird spikes and throws them to the ground. Number 2 This bird waits for my coworker to show up every morning. Then spends the day looking at itself in the mirror and shitting. Number 3 Nice paint job. Be a shame if someone. Number 4 I don't think this bird can read. Number 5 Classic. Number 6 This photo of a pelican trying to eat my phone. Number 7 Screw this tree in particular. Number 8 Just try to frigging cage me again. Number 9 So did the bunny grow wings and go to heaven? Number 10 Taken 1 second before disaster. Number 11 Sometimes when Billy is with his friends he can be a bit mischievous. Number 12 This goose is very angry. Number 13 Bird trying to snack on the family pet. Number 14 The Australian firehawks. Australian firehawks proactively spread wildfires. Number 15 This bird, friggin', hates spelling. Number 16 This happened. Number 17 Is this cake batter? Dunks entire head in. Number 18 Who's laughing now ass. Number 19 Yoink. Number 20 Basically a summary of what it's like to own a bird. Number 21 Keeps pecking the window and shouting at me while I'm trying to work. Number 22 This hawk has approximately 0 F*ks to give about the bees. Number 23 It looks better on the floor, Karen. Number 24 From the National Aquarium of New Zealand. Number 25 So this dick takes the best parking spot today. Number 26 Payback to the Masters. Number 27 Mr. Steal your fries. Number 28 Sister wanted to pet chicken, chicken disagreed. Number 29 Just a nibble. Number 30 Guess I'll nest on this friggin' coffee, pigeon. Number 31 Look at this jerk. Number 32 Stretch swan. Number 33 Birds being jerks. Number 34 This adorable little asshole eating my sandwich while standing on the goddamn piece of bread I gave him. Number 35 No human you all will not FaceTime without me. Number 36 H being jerks. Number 37 Theft bird. Number 38 Yoink. Number 39 It looks like dozens of birds decided to sh*t on one car at my work. Number 40 A hawk used my car as a dinner plate this morning. Number 41 My friend took this down at the beach the other day. Need I say more? Number 42 The cement wasn't dry yet. But who cares if you're this bird? Number 43 Duck gives no ducks. Number 44 Beware of the cobra chicken. Number 45 This goose blocking the road. Number 46 Making my son cry because she stole his sucker. And the look in those eyes is pure evil. Number 47 Incoming. Number 48 Get a load of this ass. Number 49 Trying to take a picture posing with the birds. Number 50 Seagull attack.